Hey guys, how you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to the channel. This is HP DeskJet 2820e. I'm going to show you how to connect this printer to Wi-Fi network with computer. First of all, you need to put this printer in a wireless mode by pressing the Wi-Fi button and cancel button together. Once you press it, the printer will flash and the Wi-Fi button will start flashing to be in a wireless mode so that we can look for this printer. So I'm going to put the printer in a wireless mode first. So to press the cancel, okay, you can see the printer is flashing. Okay, then you release it and the Wi-Fi now button is now flashing. You can see the Wi-Fi button is flashing. Okay, so now this printer is in a wireless mode. So what you need to do is you need to go to your laptop and go to Microsoft Store or Google Play Store or Mac. Okay, so type HP Smart App. So go to Microsoft Store, select on it. Okay, go on top, type HP Smart App. And this is HP Smart App. Select. You need to install it. Okay, on your computer, select install. Now it's downloading, installing. Okay, now the next is click it open. It's getting ready. This is HP Smart App. Select yes, accept all. Now this is HP Smart App. Now select setup or add a printer. So select add. Now it's going to look for available printer. Here we go. We found this printer HP DeskJet 2800 series. Select on it. Now time to connect and set up and manage your printer. Select continue. Select continue. Now it picked up access Wi-Fi for the following network. You select continue or no thank you. I like to select no thank you so that I can put the information by myself. So we need to put the password. Okay, so I have the information. Sometimes people ask, where do you get the information? You get the Wi-Fi password information from the back of your router. So I'm going to put the information. And once you put the information, you can also select the I sign at the end for you to see the information you put. If you are happy with it, then you select connect. So what I'm doing now is double check it. And I'm happy with it. So the next thing to do is you need to select connect. So printer is found. Printer is found. Press and release the flashing information button. So you press this information button. So now it's configuring the printer. Here we go. Printer configured. Now the next is joining the network, getting the IP address. If you look on the printer is no longer flashing. So what we are doing now is just is joining the network. Network joined, printer connected to Wi-Fi network. Here we go. So this is how to do this. It will show you that the printer is connected to Wi-Fi network, and once you see this good mark, show you the printer here and also show you the network. The next thing to do, you need to select continue. Getting printer driver information. This might take a few minutes. Okay, the next thing is driver. Select printer and scanner. Okay, so select printer and scanner. Then you go to the driver, select add a device. So select add a device. It will start to look for available device. You can see HP DeskJet series scanner is available. So select add a printer, add device. Okay, it's connecting. So you can see it's showing us ready. HP DeskJet 2800 series is ready. Now the next thing you need to do, you need to go to the HP Smart app, select continue. Okay, once it show you ready, then you select continue. Now it's finding the printer. Here we go. This is the printer here. HP DeskJet 2800 series, new. It will show you the cartridge, show you the ink level and everything, and the printer is here. Okay, click here to view your account, benefit, and manage your printer and access billing information. But this printer now is connected to the network. You can go ahead and print documents. If you want to print documents, you just need to select print. So print document, select OK. So go to any file you save on your computer or any document you want to print out, open it up. This is the document I want to print out. This is to show you that this printer is working, and it's page 2 pages. So scroll down, HP Smart Printing, select print. And you select the correct printer, select print. Here we go. This is the first one. There we go. This is the second one. Okay. So guys, this is how to connect this printer to network with a computer. If you're happy with this tutorial, please do me a favor, like, share, and subscribe. It helps the channel. Thank you, and stay blessed.